Hola, buenos días. ¿En qué puedo ayudarla?
I don't understand.
What language do you speak?
English.
What seems to be a problem?
I was surfing, I fell, and now my heart hurts a lot.
Don't worry. We will help you right away. Do you know that this is a private clinic and you have to pay the expenses? Is that alright with you?
No, it's not alright. I have insurance.
Oh, I'm sorry. May I see your insurance card, please? Okay. The problem is that this insurance card is not valid in Spain. You will have to pay upfront.
What do you mean it isn't valid? My insurance told me it was good wherever I went.
Yes, I understand. You pay the bill upfront and later your insurance will reimburse you.
That doesn't seem fair to me, but my heart hurts a lot and I don't feel like arguing, so I will pay.
Okay, so before the doctor sees you, please fill out this form.
What kind of information are you asking for?
Personal information, your name, address, date of birth, as well as information about your trip, your tour operator, the date of your trip, etc.
Why is all that necessary?
It is so that in case you have to be admitted to the hospital, we can inform your tour operator.
Okay, where can I sit to fill this out?
You can do it right here.
Here you are.
Okay, thank you. Please have a seat and wait, and someone will be with you shortly.
Okay, but make it quickly. My heart hurts like hell.